Um, well, bankruptcy, depending on what type of bankruptcy you file, would be to help you with creditors, right? So if you maintain your corporate veil, a restructuring of assets. So depending on what type of bankruptcy you file, whether it's Chapter 7, 11, or 13, those are all very different. 11 is a restructuring, so 7, 13 is total bankruptcy type deal. Um, I am not an attorney, so I can't tell you for sure. It would probably depend on your circumstance, how well you've maintained your corporate veil, and the separation between your personal assets and the assets in the LLC. A trust is going to be much better for that. So, an irrevocable trust where those assets have been gifted out of your taxable estate, they're no longer under your control. You have a trust protector and a distribution trustee. You can't be in a pending bankruptcy or have outstanding debts or going through a divorce when you set up an irrevocable trust, and you really don't want any of those things to happen for the next 2 years. It takes about 2 years to season in the creditor protection in a revocable living trust. Um, that would be the ironclad way to be able to protect those assets during bankruptcy. Inside of an LLC, there there could be a way to pierce the corporate veil, again, depending on how stringent you have maintained that separation. And again, not an attorney. I don't claim to be. You would want to seek legal advice before, you know, ensuring that. But I think in some circumstances it would, in other circumstances it would not.